Hey YouTube, it's SJ and I'm back, and today we're going to look at the Nike Carhartt Work in Progress collaboration, the AF1 Utility Onfoot in Motion cinematic type thang. Let's take a look. Hey YouTube, it's SJ. Hope you enjoyed that cinematic on foot of the Nike Carhartt Work in Progress collaboration, the AF1 Utility, which came out back in early December. Obviously I got this as a Christmas present, total surprise. I've been wearing it a lot since I got these and did that on foot, and I've got to say the wool lining inside, it is wool by the way, is super warm. I've also found these bouncier than my other AF1s, and I have quite a collection now. Just a really nice sneaker. It's a really strong sneaker. We haven't used that word on Pint of Stuff for a while, but these really are a strong shoe. I don't think these are available anymore. If you can hunt them down and you're into your AF1s, you're into Carhartt, these are a definite pickup for now. The weather here in the UK is really cold but dry, so these are absolutely perfect. I'm also really liking the strapping, and I've now got the hang of undoing and doing these up quickly.
SJ,
I can do it. There we go. No, just to prove I can do it, there you go. You know, I don't think there's anything else to say about this sneaker. I think I said it all in the unboxing. It truly is a nice sneaker. Hopefully the Onfoot really showed off how nice it looks if you weren't sure on this style. You know, there are other AF1 utilities out there, so go check them out. And hopefully you liked this video. If you did, give it the old thumbs up, leave us a comment, let us know if you liked it or not. And if you haven't already and you like what we're doing here on Pint of Stuff, hit the old subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification button, then you will be notified when we upload. We normally upload on a Tuesday and a Thursday, and then on Sunday it's Sneaker Streaming Sunday. Come along and join us for the sneaker chat and fun with you guys, our little sneaker community. Over and out guys, leave us a comment, see you soon, bye.
SJ,
yeah,
what if I want to see these on Instagram?
Okay, if you want to see these on Instagram, Pint of Stuff. There's even a little outfit post of me vaguely posing, looking a bit of an idiot on the street. Go take a look, give us the old thumbs up, you know, hit like, follow, whatever it is on Instagram.
SJ, I think you forgot the hashtag.
Okay, I forgot the hashtag. If you've got these or any of the other Carhartt's work in progress from this pack, hashtag your pictures on Instagram, Pint of Stuff, and we will feature you on Sneaker Streaming Sunday. We always like to see how you're wearing your fresh fly kicks.
Also,
now what?
I want to see the Vandals.
Okay. Right, I found a pair of Vandals for somebody I know. So Mr. Hoodoo Operator, hashtag your Vandals. We want to see them on Pint of Stuff. I'm now really going. I'm hungry. I want my dinner. I'm out of here.
See ya.